Hello and welcome to another edition of Mondopad 101. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Applications app in the Mondopad 3.0 shell. The Applications app can be thought of like the Start menu in Windows. It will show you every application that's available on your system. You can launch Mondopad applications from here and Windows applications as well. Since the Mondopad is a Windows-based machine, you can expect Windows applications to function exactly as intended on any other Windows computer. For example, if we started up a Zoom room and started up the video, we can see the Mondopad camera works with third-party applications. There's me mixing this video here. Let's check out Microsoft Teams as well. Note any application that gets launched has a task running in the bottom right corner. Plus, there's an icon to open up your on-screen keyboard in case you need to type. This environment is a safe way for IT to give access to Windows applications without actually giving full access to the Windows desktop itself. Just because employees are allowed to launch video meetings from a public machine doesn't mean they need to get into the registry editor. Now, you may have noticed I did something a little sneaky there. I had Teams and Zoom both pinned to my navigation bar. Let's talk about how to do that. First of all, it should be known that you cannot install software using the Mondopad shell itself. The person in charge of the Mondopad must escape the Mondopad shell to install Windows applications directly on the desktop. To escape the Mondopad shell, head on into Applications, then tap the button that says Return to Desktop in the toolbar. Once you're looking at the Windows desktop, you can install applications via the usual method. Once you verify that your applications are running correctly, simply return back to the Mondopad application currently running in your taskbar. The Applications app is also where you would go if you would like to customize your navigation bar. To begin customizing the navigation bar and the Applications app itself, tap Config in the toolbar. A mouse is best suited for this job, as you'll want to be right-clicking on applications that you'd like to hide, and then simply choose Hide. This does not uninstall these applications from Windows. IT can hide the application, but still use it whenever they escape the shell. To customize the navigation bar, simply drag and drop files left and right, and any changes you make can be undone by the default button in the toolbar. Applications can be dragged from out of the main space into the navigation bar and placed where desired. Applications already in the navigation bar can be turned off by clicking on the X on the icons. Once you're all finished making changes, tap Done. Changing out the applications available in the Mondopad shell may actually change the look and the feel of the Mondopad slightly. If you remove an application that did determine the look of the Mondopad, you may see a warning message like this one. Choosing to wait means that the visual aspect of the Mondopad may not change until the next reboot. Now when we go home, we see both Zoom and Microsoft Teams in our navigation bar where we place them. Now if we've made a mistake, we can actually bring any removed applications back by returning to the desktop and opening up a config file. This next step is intended for advanced users. The file we're looking for will be in the C drive, then Program Data, In Focus, Apps Filter, config.xml. We see on the top that we have a whitelist here. In case there's any programs that the Applications app didn't find by default, you can add them here. And any applications that you'd like to bring back, simply delete their entry from the bottom list. So let's take a look at some of the applications I removed earlier. Here we can see Windows Photos and Microsoft People. I'm going to delete those entries, hit Ctrl-S, then Alt-F4 in order to quit out of this, and now let's return back to the Mondopad shell task. As you can see, there's People, and there is Photos. We can see those applications came back without even needing a reboot. That's it. Super easy. If you need help from here, don't forget that you can always talk to InFocus support by visiting infocus.com/support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the InFocus Corp YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out on any of the latest news and tutorials from InFocus. And thanks for watching.